Hello, kindergartners. My name is Mrs. Coakley, and I teach art. And we are going to have some times where we learn different things, and we are going to have some times where we try different things, and we just keep going, okay? We are going to play a game today, and then I'm going to show you about some lines that we need to work on, and a game you can try at home. So what we do is I try and draw some things and you can guess. Now, since I'm videoing this one, I can't hear your guesses, but if I draw a line like this, and a line like this, and a line like this, what do you think I'm drawing? Okay, sometimes people guess I'm drawing a TV, sometimes people guess I'm drawing a table. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line like this and a line like this. And then I have people guess, what do you think that is? Sometimes people think it's a boat. Okay. Then I add some more lines like this. And I'm going to add this back here. Oops, sun's not helping. It's where I'm videoing today. All right, well, I'm going to put this one here and draw this. Oh, some of you might be already guessing it. Then I add a line like this and a line like this. And a line like this. Oh, I know. Some of you know already. I am drawing a truck. And sometimes I leave the easiest things for you to guess till the very end. So those were the tires, because if I drew the tires first, you would guess right away. Now, in art, what we do sometimes is I draw something and I draw a line and then you draw it, but you have to learn these lines. And we're going to practice on two lines today, and they are a line that looks like this. The fancy name is horizontal, and that wasn't even too straight. But we call it a straight line road, okay? And you see in the truck, we had some long straight line road lines and a short straight line road. And then the other line we're going to work on today is lines that go like that. Those lines are called parachute lines, okay? Now, I'm going to switch here a second, put this down. In your packet from Miss Griffith, you got this thing. Kind of looks like worksheets in a classroom, but it actually is the way we practice our lines. And we're going to practice the straight line road and the parachute one, okay? So on this first line, this first page, we put our pencil on the dot and we practice tracing these lines. Now, these are pretty easy lines to start with. And you pick up your pencil, and when we do lines and we do drawing, we use our pencil, okay? And that's all you do is you put your pencil on the dot and you practice these lines. Now, you can practice some now and you could practice some later, but you always have to remember that a straight line road is on the dot and then it goes across. You can even, when you get down here, you can make a straight line road go all the way across the page. Okay, and we can make this straight line road go all the way across the page. Now, the next page is our parachute ones. So that means the line has to change. Okay. Oops, I turned 2 pages. There it is. There's the parachute. Now this line, you start way up top and you go down. Okay, so with your pencil, you start on the top and you go down. Looks like the number 1, looks like the letter L, but when we're drawing, I'll say we need to draw a parachute line, so it'll go straight down. And sometimes parachute lines can go all the way down the page. Sometimes they can be short little ones. But you practice with pencils on the lines. And if that's where we're stopping today, we're learning those 2 lines. Now, if you want to, you can take your crayons and go back and color on the parachute, and you can color on this car, van, okay? So the other thing we practice doing is we practice doing them with our hands too. So if I say, let's show me a straight line road, you take your hand and you go all the way across, and you can make the straight line road go back the other way. And then I say, if you're going to do a parachute line, you put your hands way up in the air and you come straight down, and way up in the air and straight down. Now, this little guy here, he is my square finder, because squares have straight line roads and they have parachute lines. Okay? And what I want you to do is go around your house and see if you can find 5 squares. Okay? And when we have a Zoom meeting every so often, I will ask you, did you find your 5 squares? Okay? Or I'll ask you, did you practice your lines, your straight line road, and your parachute lines? Okay? See you next time.